Jollof Sadza has entered the chat. It's exciting. It's two cultures coming together on a plate. A Southern African staple, Sadza, pap, Nshima, is trala, Ugali, depending on where you come from, and one of West Africa's most prized dishes, jollof rice. First thing we're going to do is prepare the vegetables for the tomato blend. This is going to go into the oven so we can get that extra smoky rich flavor. In a saucepan, you're going to fry some onion and tomato paste. And while that's cooking on a low to medium heat, we are going to blend sizahlanganisa phakathi komshina low into a lovely paste like this. And then tovata sizina, we're going to use curry powder, some herbs, add the vegetable stock to the tomato blend, and then you're going to add some extra water just to loosen it up. Check for seasoning, then add your cornmeal and run through it with a fork to create these really fine grains. Leave it to steam on a low heat for 30 minutes and voila, you have your jollof sadza. Ha, jurukuluka luka. Nakadula baby.